identify recurring elements in each of the reference that that catch your attention, that vibe with your own style, and then try to modify them and adjust them into your own design style, own vision. The first I see is defining your own personal style while balancing the project's versatility. A lot of people do a lot of different kind of residential, commercial, each having a different brief. But even after that, you need to balance it out to kind of make a certain style for your portfolio, a certain layout kind of setting. That is the first thing. Second thing I see, too much reliance on a single aspect. Some people tend to focus a lot on 3Ds, some focus a lot on drawings. But you need to show a balance of different aspects while having a certain forte. And another challenge I would say they face is not able to control the amount of information to show. Some tend to show too much, that fills up the page. Some tend to show too less, making it look too empty and nothing being done. So that striking that balance is something that takes time and often is a challenge for students. In so much mainstream, Pinterest has almost become like a verb and replaced referencing. But within that, one needs to understand that Pinterest is a space for drawing inspiration and not somewhere where you can say, I'll pick up table from this, I'll pick up ceiling design from this, I'll pick up paneling from this image, and present your design as a collage of these elements, right? It's just to draw inspiration from them. Once you do that, identify recurring elements in each of the reference that that catch your attention, that vibe with your own style, and then try to modify them and adjust them into your own design style, own vision. And then once you are kind of done with this, eventually you will develop a niche and your design style will start drawing inspiration rather than becoming a collage of the whole scenario of the reference image bank. First, the most important thing we tell our learners is to do any kind of study, attend workshops, webinars, do market surveys, talk to contractors and all. They will give you a lot of knowledge about what's happening. Second, when you are using slightly more trendy objects, we tell them to incorporate them in small doses into your design. See how the clients react. If the client is gelling with it without getting overwhelmed, that's a good to go. And then third is, with time you will eventually develop a certain kind of niche for yourself, a certain palette that will resonate with you, and you can keep developing on that. But you need to be mindful, create a design approach that strikes a balance between timeless and trendy elements. In no specific order, I would say we tell them interpersonal skills, communication, how to talk to clients, how to talk to vendors, how to present your ideas. That's the most important. Then we tell them to have a deep understanding of the design process. We don't expect you to be award-winning designers the moment you step out, but understanding the design process is extremely important. And then definitely we focus a bit on their technical skills, the software part, because softwares play a huge role in today's time. And yeah, I think these are the three that we tell them quite a lot. The first, I would recommend work somewhere, gain some experience. Job will provide you a safe environment to try on new things, see what works for you, understand the market. Then once you do that, you will eventually start developing a niche for yourself. Understand where your forte lies. Is it hospitality? Is it residential, retail, F&B, whatever be it? And you can even go into depth. So I want to do luxury retail, this, that. And once you are done with that, start networking. That's extremely important for your entrepreneurial journey. Be it with vendors, suppliers, contractors, seniors in the industry, fraternity. They will give you a lot through their experience.